Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's open it. Let's see what you have in there. Oh, what you have right there? What is that? Okay. What do you have? What is it? Okay. Hold on. Show us what else you have. What is that? Oh, that's nice. Really? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, you have an LOL. Oh, who's that buddy? Yeah, Cinnamon Roll made it in the house. Oh, we have trouble. Oh, and who's that? Oh, cool. Hello Kitty's in the building. Who's that? What? Karomi made it here? You don't like Karomi anymore? Not anymore? Oh, look. That's nice. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Y'all have so much stuff. Wow. I like those. Let me see. What's that? Oh, you have hair bows too. Oh, look, you have a backpack for Karomi. Oh, look at that. You can't switch up on Karomi now. I like that. Cool. Okay. So what else do we have? We have hair bands. Okay. Okay, who's that? It's a bird. Oh, you have a live bird? That's cool. Oh, yes. What? You have a watch. Cool. Oh. Wow. That's cool. Okay. Oh, you have a card or something there? That's a lot of stuff, guys. Oh, you have a gift card. Wow. Oh, you have two for Burlington. Oh. Okay. And what's that? Do you have a watch in there as well? Wow. Okay. Oh, you have hair bows too. Are you guys happy with it? It's gonna be a long video, but sure, if you want to. Wow, that's a treasure chest. What's it gonna put in there? Okay. Well, it's too cool for school. Yes, we have some sunglasses. Yay. Okay, so we're unboxing or unwrapping or just open it. Whatever verbiage you want to use, huh? Everybody's opening it at the same time. How am I supposed to get all of this footage? Oh, you have a watch as well?
Look at this Excel.
Cool.
Excel.
Oh, did you get a watch too?
No, I didn't get it.
Oh, okay. What's in your backpack over there?
I'll show you. Mommy!
You have a fake credit card? Where you about to go shopping? Oh, you have some car keys? What? Okay. You have a journal?
And then I also got this.
You also have that? Okay.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
And then this.
You gotta show us the front. Oh, that's nice. You can put a lot of stuff in there. Oh, so you open your treasure chest? What is that? Oh, you have a lock and a key. What she about to lock away in that treasure box? You want me to open it? Here, lady.
Wait, I can't hit him these one cinnamon rolls.
Going to school with his new backpack.
Really?
So he's gonna put his watch in.
That's a LOL. What does it say? Classic pool? Oh, Cassie's pool.
No, this big right
Yes. Open it up. You can do her hair. Oh, that's cool. You can do her hair too.
Okay, time to open everything up. Wow, she has a crown.
She does.
Hey, look at the gold.
Yeah, I see.
Lana has some earrings and a blue box.
Let's see. Show us the kilo. You gotta bring it over here. Wow, look at